Spleen has got three borders: superior border, inferior border, and the intermediate border. Now, how to know the superior and inferior border? The superior border is notched mainly, but the inferior border mainly does not notch. But the superior and inferior border both may be notched. In that cases, there are several other points. Now, between the superior border and inferior border, this is the intermediate border, and below the intermediate border is the hilum of spleen, through which some structures enter and some exit through the splenic substance. Now, this is the diaphragmatic surface of spleen, the convex surface, and this is the visceral surface. This is the lateral end. Why lateral end? Because it faces laterally. It is the lateral blunt end, and this is the posterior pointed end of spleen. Attachment above the intermediate border, between the superior border and intermediate border, this is the gastric impression for the body of stomach. Body of stomach, this is the gastric impression, and behind the hilum of the spleen, below the hilum of spleen, between hilum and the inferior border, this is the renal impression for the anterior surface of left kidney. At the lateral end, below is the impression for left colic flexure, and above is the attachment of phrenico-colic ligament. Phrenico-colic ligament from the left colic flexure up to the diaphragm, and this phrenico-colic ligament supports the spleen. Therefore, this is known as the sustentaculum ligament of spleen. Now, at the hilum is below the intermediate border of spleen. At the hilum, two ligaments are attached. As the gastric impression is above the intermediate border, so the gastrosplenic ligament is attached above, and as the renal impression is below the hilum, so the linorenal ligament is attached below. So at hilum, gastrosplenic ligament attached with the hilum of the spleen along the greater curvature of stomach, superior part, and the linorenal ligament attached with the hilum of the spleen with the anterior surface of left kidney and then reflected back.